Lokesh bhai, can we ignore the things going around us, or what is your take on this topic?
We live in a world where a headline from a border thousands of miles away can change the price of dal in our kitchen today. We are no longer spectators of global wars, we are participants in the economic echo. When the Russia-Ukraine conflict broke out, it wasn't just about territory. It was about our sunflower oil and fertilizers. When the Red Sea became a high-risk zone, it wasn't just a naval issue or a border issue. It was a tax on every Indian exporter. Today, war is no longer localized. It is a hidden tax on global citizen. Let me ask you this. Just try and visualize when there's a fight in your neighborhood. And I don't mean neighborhood means neighboring countries. आपके पड़ोस में अगर बाजू वाले घर पे या कहीं पे अगर लड़ाई होती है, what has been our behavior? What do? We say, why should I get into somebody else's fight? And we just kind of ignore it and we say, it's okay. It's not impacting my life. However, in today's world, I think we cannot have the same attitude, same thought process, or we can act ignorant about wars that are taking place far away from our country. Even if you don't want to participate, even if the war is not ours, but indirectly, we all are part of the wars and are impacted across all aspects of our life. War to me is not a distant geopolitical event, but an economic shock, a business risk, and a daily burden on all of us. Today, I'm going to share my views more as a citizen, somebody from India, as a consumer, somebody who's running a business, and not political views about it, because political views never ends. It's like a bottomless pit and we can speak whole night. So if you look at current global wars, they are not ours, and hence it is not in our control. But can we control our controllables? So as a consumer, we can be more mindful of our spending and consuming, learn not to react to all the fake news that goes around us and spread it. Similarly, we need to, as business owners, we need to ask ourselves, can we go back to days where we can be more efficient, whether it's our business, and can we make it more resilient? To me, resilience is the new efficiency for businesses. As we move into our panel discussion, I leave you with one thought, the 100% rule. Global volatility might be 90% not in our hands, but we must take 100% ownership of the 10% that remains. Whether it is diversifying our supply chain, protecting our cash flows, or being mindful consumer, that 10% is where the winners of the next decade will be. India is no longer just a market for the world. We are a harbor. I'm so looking forward to this discussion.
Wonderful, Lokesh. We must take charge of the 10% with 100% interest.